Dive into the item sales report on your Clover dashboard. This report tells us exactly what our customers love, what's flying off the shelves, and where we're seeing the most success. Log into your Clover web dashboard via clover.com. On the left, head over to Reports and click Item Sales. Date range and time frames. This is your primary filter. You can select presets like today, last 7 days, or last 30 days, or set a custom range. Revenue versus non-revenue items. This filter helps you separate what you sell from what you simply collect. Revenue items are your actual products. Non-revenue items are things like gift card loads or bottle deposits. Filtering these out gives you a much cleaner look at your actual sales performance. Your employee filter allows you to see the item sales for a specific team member. It's perfect for seeing who is the upsell champion. If you're running a contest for a specific new item, this filter tells you exactly who is winning. View by item, revenue classes, categories, or labels. Your items view is the default setting and the most granular view. Filter down by categories and revenue class to view your departments rather than individual products. This view shows total sales for groups like appetizers, beverages, or merchandise. This helps you see the health of your different business segments. If you use labels in your inventory app like Summer Collection, Vegan Options, or Sale Items, this view is a lifesaver. It shows data aggregated by those specific tags, ideal for tracking limited-time offers or specific initiatives. If you have labeled products, this view tells you exactly how that specific line is performing across the board. The item sales report gives you total clarity on your inventory, helps you master your profit margins, and shows you exactly where your upselling efforts are paying off. It's the ultimate tool for staying organized and staying profitable. Dive into your dashboard today and see what the data is telling you.